April 1st, 2017. Nolan Patton comes to save our butts one more time. 8 inches of snow, sleet falling at this point. It's a beautiful sight what he's doing. Just amazing. Well, here we are, April 1st. Can you believe it? This is what the road looks like. Let me just take you down to Chases Pond Road. As the snow is, you can see the Hannah's Luff sign is covered. We're looking south on Chases Pond Road now, and we'll pass on to the left and north on Chases Pond Road. This is that cute little cottage in the woods on the coast of Maine. And again, could not have done this without Nolan's help. Here he comes. And did I say he just showed up? We didn't email him, didn't text him. He just showed up. What a guy. What a guy. Thank you, Nolan Patton.